Hey everyone, welcome back to the studio for another Altburg Market painting session. In this episode, I'll paint the Healer stall accessories. I'll be using the non-metallic metal technique, and this time I'll also pay special attention to the glass vials and bottles. Let's room the cottage and get ready for the Tabletop World Annual Painting Competition. Today marks a special occasion. It's the first anniversary of the channel. It's been an amazing year since embarking on this creative journey. From the early staging of learning video editing and script writing, to managing the use of microphone, lighting and camera techniques, the growth has been remarkable. With a little more than 440 subscribers now, your interest in my videos is the cornerstone of this adventure. So thank you for being part of this journey. I sincerely appreciate your support. A special shout out to my favorite hobby store, Fenris Workshop, for their continuous support. While perfection remains elusive, the excitement of this learning process has been unparalleled. Looking ahead, I'm eager to continue this journey of learning and sharing with you over the next year. Now, let's dive into today's painting session. As you can see, I've already prepped the models by cleaning and priming them in black. I'll show you all the colors I use for this project. Feel free to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I genuinely value your input and would love to hear from you. Alright, let's paint. Here's my simple approach to painting glass vials and bottles. Grain glass is probably the easiest one to paint, so we'll start with that. Use a bright green. If need be, mix white paint with a darker tone of green to bring out the vibrant color pigments. Thin down your paint with water. This will help create a translucent effect. Then use a lighter tone of green to highlight the edges of the bottle. And finally, highlight the very edges with pure white. If the bottle has a label or other details, these can be painted in contrasting colors. Mix pale brown and the green base color and apply some on the lower part of the bottle. For the round bottles, the process is very similar. This time though, we'll paint the glass as if it was translucent. Add multiple layers of gray paint, allowing each layer to dry before applying the next. This builds up depth and makes the bottle look more realistic. Concentrate the darker shades towards the bottom. If you wish to add a colorful liquid in the bottle, now would be the time. Paint part of the bottle lower part, making sure to leave an unpainted gap to represent the thickness of the glass. If the bottle is empty, use a paler tone of the color. It will be behind it when it's displayed. Since I intend to place this bottle in the healer's cabinet, I can paint a pale brown reflection to illustrate the wood that will be seen through the glass. Using a fine brush, add touches of pure white to create reflections on top and on one side of the bottle. When you're done, inspect the bottle for any imperfection or areas that need adjustment. Touch up as needed and let the paint dry completely. Here are additional tips. When painting glass, work in thin layers. Glazing helps create a translucent appearance. Study real glass objects or reference images to understand how light interacts with glass surfaces. Experiment with different colors and shapes for unique bottle effects. Apply reflection sparingly for a more realistic look. To increase the effect, we'll apply a gloss varnish over the painted bottles. This adds a shiny, reflective finish, enhancing the glass-like appearance. By following these simple steps, you can transform your miniature bottles into realistic-looking glass objects. This completes the healer style painting sessions. If you found this technique useful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel for more painting tutorials. For all your hobby needs, check out Fenris Workshop, link in the description. Let me know, which bottle do you prefer? The green glass bottle, the transparent one with liquid inside, or the empty bottle? Also, feel free to comment if you have a different approach to painting glass. Oh, and tell me, do you plan to enter the Tabletop World Annual Painting Competition in 2024? Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep on painting and take care.